Hi, my name is Amish Shrestha and this is my week 3 reflection for saying 205. So for in section 1 there is breadth versus depth of complexity. The first big concept from this week was understanding complexity, especially the difference between breadth and depth. So the breadth complexity is about scale, how many function, how many user, how many data types, how many interfaces your system has to handle. The more of each of these, the broader and the harder your system becomes. So another one is depth complexity. It is about relationships, how tightly linked and nested your components are. Are your modules sharing data, passing control back or forth? Are your hierarchies 5 levels deep? That's depth complexity. So there is a simple diagram, a basic linear program flow versus a complex branching system with signals and loops. And it really clicked for me. What looks manageable as a small program becomes a complexity different beast at scale. For our project, we are building a system with multiple modules. Now that I understand breadth and depth, I can already identify where our risks lie. We have several modules that shares data structure, and the depth of coupling is something we need to manage carefully from the design stage. And the section 2 is developing system and writing program. So writing program is something one person can do. Building system involves multiple components, multiple people, and whole new layer of coordination. Our so there is 3 Ps: process, product, and people. As three things that must be coordinated in any large software project. What really stood out to me was the communication formula. For n people, the number of potential communication paths is n times divided by 2. So, if our group has 5 people, that already 10 potential communication channels, and with more channel comes more risk of misunderstanding. This made me realize how important it is for our team to have clear communication protocols, which is exactly what our lecturer said. We need one point of contact for the lecturer. We CC everyone in assessment related emails, and our group leader coordinates on our behalf. So for section 3, linking to the software engineering project, we are currently in requirement elicitation and initial design phase, which is due in week 5. Understanding breadth complexity help us scope our requirement properly. We need to identify every major function, every user type, and every external interface up front, not discover them halfway through development. Understanding depth complexity help us to think about our architecture. We should design our modules to be loosely coupled and highly cohesive, so that changes in one module don't cascade and break everything else. And the 3 Ps framework reminds me that our project isn't just a technical challenge, it's a coordination challenge. We need to clear our project plan, deny roles, and process for integrating everyone work. Thank you.